Hey guys, welcome back. Day 2. Today I want to widen it out a bit and cover the three big ones: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. Because right now they are not all moving the same way, and that's actually the interesting part. Let's get into it. Starting with Bitcoin. On the daily chart, price pulled back slightly today, trading around $64,500, down less than 1%. This comes right after yesterday's breakout move. Price is now sitting at the underside of a resistance zone between $65,000 and $67,400. That's the same shelf we've been watching for 2 days now. On the 4-hour chart, you can see Bitcoin broke out of that descending triangle we talked about yesterday, and now it's coming back down to retest the broken trend line. This is a completely normal move. Breakouts often pull back to retest the level they broke through before continuing. If this trend line holds as support, that's a bullish sign. If price breaks back below it, the breakout may have failed. Zooming into the 1 hour, Bitcoin tapped $65,000 earlier, then pulled back to around $64,500, which lines up exactly with that broken trend line from the 4-hour. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting at a decision point: hold this level or lose it. Now let's talk about Ethereum, because this is where it gets interesting. Ethereum dropped all the way down to $1,510 back in June, and since then it has ripped higher, now trading around $1,868. That is a massive recovery move. Price has reclaimed both the 20 and 50 period moving averages, though it is still below the 100 and 200 period moving averages, which sit up near $1,945 and $2,217. On the 4-hour, Ethereum broke sharply out of a rising wedge structure, and it's now testing a key trendline flip level around $1,844. This was resistance, and now it's acting as potential support. Ethereum has genuinely been outperforming Bitcoin over the last few days in terms of percentage move off the bottom. On the 1 hour, you can see the sharp breakout candle that pushed Ethereum from around $1,750 up to nearly $1,900, and it's now consolidating just above that $1,844 flip zone. This is the level to watch for Ethereum going forward. Last one, Binance Coin. And this one tells a very different story. BNB has been in a steady downtrend since the start of the year, dropping from around $950 down to where it's sitting now, around $580. It is currently consolidating in a tight range, but it is trading below every single major moving average: 20, 50, 100, and 200. Out of the three coins today, BNB is clearly the laggard. So here's the takeaway for day 2. Bitcoin is pausing at a resistance retest after yesterday's breakout. Ethereum is the strongest performer right now, having recovered hard off its June low and testing a key flip zone. And Binance Coin is lagging behind both, still stuck in its longer-term downtrend. Worth watching whether Ethereum's strength starts pulling the rest of the market with it, or whether Bitcoin's resistance zone holds things back. That's day 2. Tomorrow we'll check back in and see which of these levels held. Let me know in the comments which coin you want me to focus on more. This is chart analysis for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. See you tomorrow.